Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I will be telling you the best ever liquid fertilizer, the most powerful liquid fertilizer so far. I am disclosing today how to prepare it, how to use it, everything, what is the dosage, what is the NPK content and which plants you can use, in which plants you cannot use. All these things are coming in this way. So just keep on watching the video and I am showing you how to prepare it. In general we use the mustard cake powder, but in that case the NPK ratio is very less and this is the 3 times more powerful than the mustard cake liquid fertilizer. I am using here some groundnut cake. This is the easily available in the nursery shops, groundnut cake, and if you want you can get some cake form. This is the powder form and in market you can get in 40 to 50 rupees a kilo. In a mustard cake that is around 20 to 30 rupees kilo, but this one is a little bit costly, but you need only small amount, only 100 to 200 gram is enough for your 100 pots enough. I am telling you the NPK ratio in this mustard cake is 2.5 is to 1 is to 1, that is 22.5 is to 1 is to 1, while in NPK in groundnut cake is 7.5 is to 3 is to 1.5, that is 3 times nitrogen than this mustard cake, twice double the amount of phosphorus and double the potash. So this is very useful for obtaining lots of flowers and fruits from your plants. If you are growing for any of the flowering plant or fruiting plant or vegetable plants, you can just apply it. Just soak 200 gram of this groundnut cake in 5 liters of water. So I am telling you I am preparing for 100 pots, so 200 gram of groundnut cake I am applying in 100 gram of this 5 liters of this water, and I am soaking it for around 3 days. You have to soak it for 3 days, and special thing is you have to apply 50 gram of neem cake powder. Add 50 gram of neem cake powder, that is 1/4 the amount of groundnut. You have to apply 1/4 the amount. So in this packet, 100 gram packet, I am applying 50 gram of this NPK, that is the neem cake, and I tell you this contains lots of micronutrients. It helps in bettering the total solution, because the groundnut is slightly sweetish in nature. They attract lots of ants. If you apply this neem cake, they don't attract any of this fungus or any of the ants, and besides they contains lots of micronutrients like boron, chlorine, copper, iron, molybdenum, manganese, zinc, lots of micronutrients, and they help in many of the formation of enzymes, chloroplast involved in nitrogen metabolism component of enzymes. So this helps in lots of photosynthesis, this compound, and therefore they are very rich and they almost produce, and you have to apply it in this August onwards, that is after the rainy season is over. Just mix it thoroughly, and if you want you can start it with any stick, and I am starting it with this naan, and I'll cover it for 3 days, and after 3 days, after fermenting it of 3 days, I will be applying around 20 liters of water more here to dilute it, very diluted form, and then I will apply once in a month, and once in a month applying is sufficient for your this groundnut liquid. I tell you this is a much better than the mustard cake liquid what we use in our garden. So this time you apply this one, and in 5 rupees, this is 4 rupees this groundnut cake, and 1 rupee this mustard cake, allowed total 5 rupees you spend. You can apply around 50 pots or 50 plants you can apply, and once in a month. So in 5 rupees only you can apply the in total 50 pots in for 1 month, and you don't have to use any kind of fertilizer in any of the plants. Just see friends, this is after 24 hours. You see this is the condition here, and all are soaked, and the top you see little bit of oily some nature you can see, and this is here the liquid, and I will soak it around 48 hours more, and after 48 hours I will mix it proper water. I will dilute it properly and apply 100 to 200 ml in each plant. So just see Welcome back friends, after 3 days, and you see now my total solution is ready, my fertilizer is ready. This is a groundnut fertilizer. You see the top, so some scum you see, and some whitish look, the fungus like. You don't have to bother, you don't have to worry, and you have to apply this one. Just mix it properly. You see some slightly reddish whitish, some surface you can see. Just mix it properly, very nicely mix it. And now I'll be mixing it around 20 liters of water. Here in this I will use 50% today, so I am applying 10 liters of water, and I use 2.5 liter of this solution here, mixing it. So half I will be using today, and tomorrow I will be applying half to the next of the plants. So I am applying 4 times water in this soaked groundnut liquid, and it is very rich, and there are lots of NPK and lots of micronutrients, full of micronutrients, and all kind of enzymes you can get here, and they're beautiful for applying. So now I am telling you how much to apply. In the big pot you have to apply around 200 ml in big pot, or if it is a small pot you can apply 100 ml. That would be enough for 1 month. And once you apply this one, you don't have to apply any other fertilizer. And especially in the winter months, if you are growing any of the flowering plants or lots of vegetables you grow in the winter months, you just apply, instead of applying some mustard cake liquid fertilizer, you can apply this one, and this will be much more helpful. And this again, and in this season I am also going to apply in this coming way. And I have seen it in one of the terrace garden. Those who are producing lots of vegetable, they only apply this groundnut this cake, and they get the most of lots of vegetables from there. So that's what inspired by me, and this is the very nice. So hope you enjoyed the video, but something you have to careful, don't apply in sprayer because they may block your sprayer. And don't apply in cacti or succulent or any kind of succulents. You don't have to apply. So this is the all. So apply once in a month, and that would be nice for you, all your plants, and beautiful. So this is all for today, and just apply 100 ml to 200 ml, and in 50 or 100 for 100 plants you only spend 10 rupees in 1 month only, and that will be enough for your liquid fertilizer. And that will be nice liquid fertilizer with lots of NPK and lots of micronutrients. So next time you think of applying any liquid fertilizer, you can try this one and write down in the comment box below what is your experience with applying this one. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.